India has made history with the successful launch of PSLV C-60, marking a significant milestone in space exploration. With the launch of the SpaceX satellites SDX-01 Chaser and SDX-02 Target, India has joined an elite group of nations mastering space docking technology. This achievement highlights ISRO's growing expertise in space, marking India a key player in the future of space missions. The mission, which involved sending the SpaceX satellites into a 475-kilometer circular orbit, is a major leap for India in mastering autonomous rendezvous and docking, crucial technologies for future satellite servicing, manned missions, and even interplanetary exploration. India now stands alongside countries like the US, Russia, and China in this advanced field. This success also underscores the crucial role of private industries in supporting ISRO's space ambitions. Companies like Anand Technologies Private Limited ATL contributed significantly to the mission by providing essential components, showing the growing synergy between public and private sectors in India's space journey. As ISRO continues to lead the way in space innovation, India's future in space exploration looks brighter than ever. With upcoming missions and projects like the Bharatiya Antariksh Station BAS and deep space missions, India is all set to redefine its place in the cosmos.